Hello and welcome to my new video. I'm Jezz, and in this video I'm going to show you how I painted furnitures with spray paint. First things first, I had never painted furnitures before, so this was a fun little challenge for me. So this kitchen set is pretty old, so I decided to use sandpaper to make it more even with the surface, or that was my goal with it. The table had been used on one side way more than the other, so this was kind of needed. Plus, a lot of nasty stuff like coffee and other stuff was still there. I was planning on doing the chairs too, but the table took too much of my energy. When this part was done, I had to find a good place outside to paint, because for the first time ever I used Montana cans gold, or known as Montana Gold. I usually use Montana colors water-based, and because of this the smell was worse. I even needed to get a better mask with better filters. And to be honest, I noticed a big difference in spraying with these cans than the one I use, and it was fun. I used different caps to cover bigger and small areas too. I had to get more cans, because the table took at least one can for itself. Plus, I was planning on spraying it twice to have a stronger surface. I was planning on spraying twice on everything, but in the end I forgot that. The hardest part was the chairs. Not easy to spray those legs. In the end, we found a better way to push them, but that was the last chair of them all, sadly. Conclusion, this was really fun to do. Love testing new stuff. Might spray more furnitures in the future, who knows? If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, that would be awesome. You can find me on social media pretty much everywhere, and all the links is below. And I really hope you enjoy watching this video, even if it's not done yet playing in the background. And I really hope you learned something from it. And keep on painting!